You guys want to see if we can get a little rowdy in the F-150? Huh? Clear that way? Clear that way? Let's see here. Hey guys, I'm Devin Spivey, and this is Hyper Heathens. On today's episode, we got a lot to do. So, as you guys saw in the last episode, we got Ricky's car from powder coat. It's just bare chassis. We got to put all that together, and we're gonna try and get that done today. I also believe Billy's bringing his car over, and we got to get that done today. Now, I'm not exactly sure what all's got to be done to Billy's car, but I'm sure it's going to be some work. So, y'all hang out with me, stay tuned, and we'll see you over at Ricky's. Alright guys, so change of plans. I left my phone in my FedEx truck, and I can't get in the building because I don't know the alarm code. I know the PIN code to actually get in the building, I just don't know the alarm code to shut the alarm off once I get in the building. I don't want the cops getting caught out here and me end up getting shot. So I'm just going to sit here until the guy that actually knows the alarm code gets back. So y'all hang out with me. It should be loads of fun.
2,000 years later.
Alright boys, we got my phone. Now time to go to Ricky's. Alright guys, I finally made it over to Ricky's house. Let's see what the guys got going on today. Drew, what are you doing?
I'm looking at stuff.
You ain't never doing nothing.
First of all, if you got here on time and see me do something, let's get it done.
Yeah, right. What are you doing, Billy?
Putting this thing together.
We finally gonna get it done?
Yeah, 2 Healy poles later.
I think it's been like apart for the last like 2 episodes now.
Yeah, well, shit happens.
Yeah, it does.
You never answered me about the 270 wheels. We run the same size wheels as them? Or?
Probably not.
I don't think so.
This thing's about ready to percolate, baby.
She almost ready to go in?
We're getting there.
You seem a little frustrated.
Yeah, it's taking a lot longer than what I thought.
Alright guys, so Billy's motor's going in. We're gonna have a ripper here in, what do you say, 2 hours?
If it takes 2 hours, I'm going home.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Ready?
We'll come back to that. And we're back with some de-icer.
This is so shady.
Get everything open, everything closed.
Mm-hmm. You want to see if I'm blowing bubbles back here?
We share the good, the bad, and the ugly. If it won't start, we'll tell you. We're not perfect.
Nope.
You ain't got nothing coming back here either.
Well, that's fine. It's not running.
We'll fill that bottle up with some more gas.
No.
I mean, how much did you put in here when you did it?
In that? Or, probably quite not that much. What did I just say? Probably not that much.
Probably quite not that much.
Cut.
No, we're sending it.
No, dude, that's ignorant.
I feel like we need some 2-bottle action. Because when he goes over on those two, it seems to do a little sputter.
I need to be right here.
Ready?
Just probably give that starter a second. Quite a bit of second.
No, that's good. All knows we're shooting some flames out back here.
That's good.
Is it?
I'm waiting on the back.
Oh,
so
man,
I
me
can watch
too.
him jump.
Oh, yeah.
Turn it over. Oh, I think we got some drippage.
You got drippage?
Turn it.
We got fuel. We got some fuel action. I need some dip.
Let me hook you up, buddy. Ricky, I'm fresh out.
Thank you.
I knew Ricky wasn't going to do that.
I ain't got none.
You're a fresh liar.
Looks like you fresh got one more.
That's for Daddy.
Oh, God.
I missed that, too.
When it backfires, it's going to blow my leg off.
All right, guys, so that pretty much sums it up for tonight over at Ricky's house. We got Billy's car fired up and just a couple kinks to work out. Hey, if you like what you saw, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram at Heathens, and we'll see y'all next time.
Shut up and sit down.